रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीरदारे रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीरदारे अरकम है मंजिल तस्खीर की तदबीर दारे अरकम है दारे अरकम।
Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the poem. As you know, the poem name was Adventure of Isabel. Okay? So, in this lesson we have learned that there was a girl whose name was Isabel. Okay? And she was a very courageous girl. She was a very brave girl. She was a self-reliant girl. Okay? And she used to practice patience at difficult times. Okay, so as you know, she met with 4 types of people. First of all, she met with a bear. After that, she met with a witch. After that, she met with a giant. And after that, she met with a doctor. As you know, all the 4 types of people, they wanted to kill her, right? They wanted to behave in a very bad manner with Isabel. But because of the patience, because of the perseverance, because of the most important thing in life is what is patience. She was not getting panic because of the difficult condition. She was behaving in a proper manner. She was calm in a difficult situation. So that is why she was capable to deal with all these difficult situations. As you know, she has dealt with all the difficult situations. So that is why it was called as Adventure of Isabel. As you know, 3 question answer we have completed in our previous video lesson. Okay, so now from here we will do question number 4. As you know, in question number 1, what it has been asked that what did Isabel do before she ate the bear? So what did Isabel has done? Isabel washed her hands and straightened her hair and quietly ate the bear up. As you know, first of all, Isabel has washed her hands. After that, she has straightened her hair, and after that, she quietly ate the bear up. Second, what did the witch look like? So, as you know, witch face was cross, okay, and it was wrinkled. As you know that the witch was old, so that is why whenever a person grew old, there are so many wrinkles which appeared at our faces. So that is why witch face was also wrinkled. Okay? And its gums with teeth were sprinkled. And as you know, teeth of the witch were also sprinkled here and there. They were not placed at a proper place. Okay? Question number 3. How did Isabel deal with the witch? So, Isabel didn't worry, scream or scurry. As you know, Isabel didn't worry about anything, right? Neither she screamed nor she scurried. She turned the witch into milk and drank her. Okay? So what she has done? She has turned the witch into a milk, and after turning the witch into milk, she drank the entire milk, right? So now we will continue with question number 4. What did the giant want to do with Isabel? So as you know, the giant wanted to grind Isabel bones to make his bread, right? for making his breakfast, he wanted to grind. Grind means pisna. Grind Isabel bones. He wanted to grind what? He wanted to grind Isabel bones so that he can make bread. Okay. Now, question number 5. What did Isabel doing during her meeting with the giant? So, what Isabel was doing at that time? She was chewing the dewback during her meeting with the giant. So, what she was doing? She was chewing the dewback. Dewback is what? A toasted, crisp bread. So, what she was chewing? क्या चबा रही थी? She was chewing toasted, crisp bread when she was meeting with the giant. Okay. Question number 6. What did the doctor want Isabel to do? So, what did doctor want Isabel to do? Doctor wanted Isabel to swallow the pills in order to make her well. So, he wanted that Isabel should swallow. निगल जाए. What she should swallow? She should swallow the pills. Pills means medicines, so that she can be well. ताकि वो सही हो जाए. Now, question number 7. How did Isabel deal with the doctor? Isabel, as usual, was neither worried nor did she scream or scurry. As you know, Isabel, as usual, behaved in a very calm manner. She was not worried about anything. Neither she screamed, means neither she shouted nor scurry. Scurry means neither she went away from that place. She took those pills from the doctor. First of all, she has taken the medicines from the doctor and make him to swallow them. And after that, he said to the doctor to swallow the medicine. Thus, she cured doctor himself. So, she has cured the doctor himself. Okay, she has prevented the doctor himself. Okay, now this is the exercise working with words. You have to do this exercise in your fair copy after doing the question answer. So, what it has been asked here? Find words in the poem that have some or nearly the same meaning as the following. Then fill in the crossword given below. Okay. Now, a type of bag. A type of bag is what? Satchel. Extremely hungry. Extremely hungry means ravenous. Covered in lines and fold means wrinkled. Okay. Stuffed full is what? Bulged. A type of bread is dewback. Reduce something to powder by crushing is what? Grind. Made better means cured, prevent karna. Kept going means continued. Extreme anger means safe. Cry out loudly in horror is scream. Okay. So these are the questions which you have to do in your fair copy. Okay. This exercise you have to complete in your fair copy and question answer. These are the question answers which you have to do in your fair copy. Most important thing is that write down the name of the poem, draw the diagram of the poem, write down the date of the poem, and most important thing is that be disciplined while you are writing the classwork in your fair copy, because the manner in which you will write it, it will be easier for you to learn and to memorize the answer in an easier manner. So, it is your responsibility to keep your fair copy neat and clean and as beautiful as you can. Okay? So, this was the lesson all about. Hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.